Welcome. You and I go way back.
Oh, no, we go way back. We're just reminiscing. I actually gave you your first opportunity to be on the big screen. And look at you are, you're a superstar now.
Mate, if I ever start making money, I'll give you commission, but until then...
Well, I was still waiting for it. I was waiting for it. That's why I was waiting all this time to, like, reunite and just, you know, go, yeah, it is. But you know what? Tough times. It's all right.
Yeah. So you've had this sort of amazing launchpad in terms of like your family, upbringing, your heritage, but on a professional level, like where did it all begin? When did the penny drop and you're like, I'm going to be a professional chef, this food is my life?
The penny dropped, I think, when I actually wanted to be a chef professionally. When I was about 10. I was fortunate to let, like, my nonna and my zia would always let me cook at home and make pasta and make gnocchi. So gnocchi was one of the first things I made. And then I started in hotels, started at the Hilton, worked with amazing like German and Austrian chefs.
Yeah.
Worked my way into restaurants. I had the opportunity to go work in Italy, so I went and worked in Italy for a year. And then I came back and I ended up working for Jeff Lindsay, and that kind of got me into the whole Asian spectrum of food. But then I started Coda in 2009.
Coda is this institution now.
Yes, it is. Coda's 13 years old. Tonka's 9 years old.
Yeah.
Just opened Lolo. This dish I created for the Lolo at the W.
Yeah.
So it's my version. It's a lasagna, and I love lasagna.
Yeah.
And I love duck. And so I thought, how do I make a dish so simple? You know, that's something that people have all the time, but lasagna, to make it luxurious. So to elevate it, and it was just like, you know, put some beautiful bechamel, pesto bechamel in there. What I like about the Rotolo style that I've done here is that everyone gets a corner. Even if you get the middle piece of the lasagna, you're getting a corner because the corner.
Which is the best bit.
Correct.
Yeah. So listen, I'm gonna recreate a dish using duck, but I'm gonna use Marcel chicken stock. I'm gonna infuse it with some beautiful chanterelle mushrooms, which will sort of intensify the flavour, and just make it sort of super achievable for the home cook to take duck and some of the flavour profiles of this amazing little lasagna. So mate, thank you so much. This is, I'm a massive fan. You know, I'm a massive fan, and I can't
I'm a massive fan of you.
Can't wait to come down.
Let's hug it out.
I'll see you soon.
See ya. Thanks.